Good morning, traders. In front of you, Alpha Fibonacci software for Ninja Trader 8. You're looking at simplicity and precision in front of you playing out right now. What do you see that's happening? Bullish rally extremely high, overextended, reached Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. RZ means reversal zone. Market is brutal, market is nasty. There is only one good thing that will happen this morning, sell off and crash. If not, these are nasty markets that intelligent trader would never touch. That's it. Correction is on, noise is on. There is no power. So if you understand simplicity and purity of the system and the software, where to enter, where to exit your trade, you avoid the pain. You also understand extremely well. Despite catastrophic global events, billions of dollars are long. That's it. Bullish rally continues. For retail trader without powerful pullback, market will become more difficult if there is no powerful pullback. We discussed with my students, if price remains stuck in this chart, it's extremely aggressive trading. Yesterday afternoon, market is perfect. Intelligent trader understands the power of retail Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. This morning, it's extremely high. If it's not selling off and it's not collapsing, it's dangerous overextended rally. For institutional trader, it's not a problem. For retail trader, it's a major problem. So when you understand this part, everything changes in your trading. You understand spectacular versus brutal plays. You understand when to trade versus not. So if I bring to your attention day before, this is what played out. Monday. Market in correction and you know far in advance. If price collapses here, you are glued to the screen. Price struggling to break through this level. I convert this level to 5. This is the market. Correction on hourly chart, 4 hours. Corrective day, Monday. Tuesday. Market pulling back to Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Spectacular place for retail trader to be on every single chart. Rules are met, take a trade. You understand the power of buying as low as possible. If institutions buy, you buy. This morning we're no longer at the bottom. This morning we are extremely high. With the power of the system and the software, you know this far in advance. And that's where price is now. This morning, on Wednesday. All the details in tomorrow's live class. So if you're buying the bottom and you understand the danger of reversal zone, you understand that this morning market in massive correction only. It did not crash through this level. It remains intact, which means for retail trader, market becoming more challenging to trade. Not selling off, Alpha Fibonacci level remains intact. So no matter what chart you trade, trading extremely aggressive. Only longs are in, absolutely no shorts. And that's how you stop losing money, and that's how you stop speculating, and that's how you start trading markets as intelligent strategic chess. No random trades, no random entries, no random stops, only precise entries, stops and targets. That's it. Prior to the market open, we discussed with students very aggressive trades. Identical event, as you see on S&P, playing out on every single chart. Absolutely no software on this chart, none. I convert this chart to 10. I convert this chart to 15. Software is present here. Buying started before market open. Spectacular. Continues. Institutions adding to longs. For retail trader, it's a major problem. When institutions holding longs and adding to longs, for retail trader, this presents a major problem. So if you knew where to buy the bottom far in advance, despite catastrophic global events, you learned your lesson. October 23rd, 16 days after catastrophic event in Israel, world in shock, Putin having a blast. Putin is the biggest winner. The following week, Hamas is partying in Moscow with Iran. World continues being in shock. Institutions buying the market. Do you remember 4100 level? Do you remember how spectacular and shocking this bullish reversal was? Billions of dollars are long from 4150 level. Here we are a month later. Bullish rally unstoppable. You learned your lesson. Only when you trade with institutions, only when you know where institutional points of entries are, you can become successful. Institutional traders, 400 points plus in profit. Price told us this morning not to short. Price told us this morning we are at overextended retail structure. This was spectacular. This is aggressive and dangerous market. So if price right now starts pulling back and being in correction non-stop, you are not surprised. This is a market since the open. Confirmed that institutions holding longs and adding to positions. No sell-off, no crash, very aggressive and dangerous market. So this is how you prepare and this is how you trade on every single instrument. And if I bring to your attention NVIDIA, it's exact same structures on S&P, every single chart. When you can trade one, you can trade them all. You know where to buy. You know where overextended rallies stuck. 500% later. Charts are twins. If I remove the name from the chart, charts are twins with every single chart on S&P this morning. I recognized in 2008 that pure price is exactly the same on every instrument. So when you look on S&P 5, 10, 15, it's identical to Tesla, it's identical to Apple, it's identical to Euro. So when you trade Alpha Fibonacci system, you become free. You stop chasing indicators. You stop gambling. You stop speculating. You start trading as intelligent human being. A year ago, NVIDIA was at the buy point. Absolutely no software on this chart. None are present. So if day trading is not for you, or you want to add to your day trading, you are very well prepared. Buying the bottom on NVIDIA. Taking charge of your long-term investment positions. NVIDIA remains long, it's not selling off. More than a year later. In private mentoring, I assess you, I test you, I quiz you, I show you if day trading is for you or not. And if not, you system long-term on stocks. And if not, you system long-term on Forex. Euro skyrocketing, but bullish rally started at the bottom. October 2022, massive instruments at critical key, start of the bullish trend, bought viciously by institutions. Euro at historical low, and you know this months and years in advance. That's it. Euro no longer at 96 cents. Today euro in entirely different place. So S&P is extremely high. Move to oil, move to gold. Trade a different instrument. Oil news this morning in 15 minutes. Let's prepare on oil, shall we? This is institutional chart on oil. Those of you who've been visiting for a while, you know quite well. This is a chart that's been present in front of you for years. Oil bought viciously since last week. But if I bring to your attention oil, going back 2 months, going back to September, this is oil. Intelligent trader knows not to buy oil. Intelligent trader knows this is institutional profit-taking point. Oil news is bullish, but oil in free fall. As a retail trader, you're shorting, not buying oil at this level. Oil collapsed from 89 until 70. Short oil, do not buy at this level. And what oil has done in the last 2 weeks is a stunning reminder. Market preset by Alpha Fibonacci system. It's in front of you. It's in a plate to the tick. This is retail chart on oil in front of you right now. What do we know? We need sell-off and crash on oil. If oil is not selling off, nothing here to do. Institutional rally extremely high, oil stuck in correction. This level is not out, sellers are worthless. Sell-off on crash on oil is a gift. If not, you do not short this support. You understand, this is key retail level this morning. At the time of oil news, I will convert this chart to 1. This is oil in correction for the last hour. That's it. No matter what the news is, you know far in advance. This is crucial key event, this level to the downside, this level to the upside. Oil remains stuck at this level, bullish rally will go on. Drastically higher. This is key level this morning. If price crashes through this level, this is much better buy point. Institutions buy, you buy. You do not trade against institutions. That's it. Apple. Bullish rally on Apple overextended. Apple extremely high. You knew quite well where to buy Apple from. This is Apple before the start of the rally. As I will remind you why I do this, S&P stuck in correction, as I warned you, as we discussed with students pre-market. January 1st, Apple selling off. Catastrophic sell-off 2022, overextended. Intelligent trader monitoring buy point on Apple. By the end of January, Apple skyrocketing, picking up this steam. Apple no longer at 130. Apple at drastically higher level. It's in front of you now, this morning. So when you can trade one, you can trade them all with Alpha Fibonacci system. In classes, we discuss charts from micro to macro. We discuss charts from range, minute to hourly, daily, weekly, monthly. You become free. Number 1 from indicators. Number 2 from financial advisors. You taking course alongside hedge fund traders. You taking course alongside financial advisors. Students fire financial advisors all the time, managing their own portfolios much better, as Jeff has done at the age of 76. So when you come to the website and you can view movies student made about Fibonacci Trading Institute celebrating 13 years, you can always listen to students' podcasts. You can listen to Jeff, who fired his financial advisor. You can listen to Dominic, son of hedge fund manager, who's at the age of 14 trading Alpha Fibonacci system while his father trading multi-million-dollar accounts. You can listen to Richard, who retired trading the system. You can listen to Ken, with whom I met in London, whose daughter gave me a card you can see on website underperformance. And when you listen to Pablo, complete beginner trader, and when you listen to Emmanuel, who brought his wife to the course, they both currently full-time traders, you understand clearly. If these traders can do it, so can you. All you have to do is identify time frame and instrument appropriate for you, your psychological comfort, your risk management. You can trade system on all platforms or with software for Ninja Trader 8. So when you review everything on the website, view students' email, listen to
Fibonacci,
student
the golden
podcasts and
ratio,
view
was
students'
discovered
reviews,
by Leonardo
choose the
da
option
Vinci in the
appropriate
13th
for you.
century.
Private
An exact
matching, the
same
most
patterns
desirable
repeat
option.
in
I test
financial
your
markets.
quiz you, I give you
Paula
homework.
Peters, founder of
Private
Fibonacci
matching
Trading
includes
Institute
video
and
library
Alpha
module,
Fibonacci
group
method.
course,
Alpha
and
Fibonacci
every
retracement
option
tool
included.
identifies
Trading
trend
room
reversal
as well.
areas, days, weeks, months,
Group
and
course,
years
the most
as well,
popular option,
which will
$5,000
override
savings.
all
Option 1
indicators. And when
3,
price comes
if you are
to
not on Ninja
Fibonacci
Trader
reversal zone, markets
So I
will
hope you enjoyed this
collapse
morning
no
as
matter
S&P
what
remains
the
stock in
fundamentals or
Any
earnings
questions for
are.
me? Do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com.